LSD shows promise in treating anxiety. Trials set to conclude in 2026, groundbreaking research suggests that lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD, could become a viable treatment for generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, within the next few years. Two pivotal clinical trials, expected to deliver results in 2026, are assessing the drug's efficacy in reducing anxiety symptoms, potentially leading to FDA approval as early as 2027. The challenge of untreated generalized anxiety disorder affects millions, causing persistent and excessive worry about various aspects of life. Current treatments, antidepressants, and talk therapy fail roughly half the time, leaving many patients with limited options. This gap in effective care is why researchers are urgently exploring alternative approaches, including psychedelic medicine. Why LSD? The science behind the breakthrough LSD is being investigated for its unique ability to induce profound emotional experiences. Studies show that LSD can enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to rewire itself and form new cognitive patterns. A landmark 2025 trial demonstrated that a single high dose of LSD provided significant anxiety relief for at least 3 months. This initial success has paved the way for larger, later-stage trials. Current trials, dosage and design. The ongoing research involves approximately 400 participants with moderate to severe anxiety. The study is designed with 3 groups. Group 1 receives a 100 microgram dose of LSD. Group 2 receives a placebo. Group 3 receives a 50 microgram dose of LSD. Participants will be monitored for up to 3 months after dosing. A secondary phase will offer LSD to all participants whenever anxiety levels rise, assessing long-term effectiveness. The inclusion of the 50 microgram group is crucial. It helps control for the placebo effect, as participants may experience some mind-altering effects, but won't necessarily know if they received the full anxiety-reducing dose. Regulatory approval and accessibility. If the trials yield positive results, the FDA could approve LSD for anxiety treatment by 2027. Experts estimate that a 3 to 5 point difference on standard anxiety scales between the LSD and placebo groups would be enough to gain approval. The 2025 trial already showed a roughly 5-point difference, making the next results promising. However, even with approval, widespread access may take years. LSD treatment requires supervised administration in a clinical setting, as patients undergo psychedelic experiences that need monitoring for potential side effects. This logistical hurdle means LSD will likely remain a second or third-line treatment for anxiety after conventional therapies have failed. Despite these challenges, the potential for a new, effective treatment for anxiety is significant. If LSD proves safe and reliable, it could revolutionize mental health care for millions who suffer from this debilitating condition.